Drama unfolded at the Milimani High Court as a hearing into the disappearance of 3 young men was temporarily disrupted by a human rights activist protesting over the authorities' response that the missing men were not in police custody. The court has now summoned Inspector General of Police Douglas Kanja and DCI Director Mohamed Amin to personally appear and explain the whereabouts of the 3.
Families of the missing men and human rights activists had gathered in court hoping for answers. But proceedings became tense after lawyers representing the Inspector General of Police and the Director of Criminal Investigations maintained that the 3 Macmillan Kiarie Mugo, Evans Otieno and Michael Olo were not in police custody.
Tafadhali popote vijana wetu waliko, hata kama sio polisi, hata kama ni kwa kichaka, leo hii tuonyeshani pali watoto wetu wako, tutashukuru.
The response sparked outrage in court, with families and human rights activists protesting loudly, disrupting the proceedings. At one point, activist Julius jumped from the public gallery shirtless and shouting before the police subdued him and escorted him out of the courtroom.
DCI, Buruburu Police Station, Milimani Law Court. Hizi bills zote zitalipwa na nani? Saa zile mimi nazunguka nikitafuta mtu mkubwa mwenye serikali inajua mali yako. It's so breaking. Tumekunywa dawa za roho. I am tired.
The hearing proceeded in the absence of Inspector General Douglas Kanja and DCI Director Mohamed Amin, despite earlier court orders requiring them to appear in person. Lawyer Paul Nyamodi, representing the 2 security chiefs, told the court that they were unable to attend because they were engaged in an official security meeting that had been scheduled before they received the summons.
My Lord, the reason that they are not present is that they are involved in a meeting for planning for certain upcoming security operations, from which they were not able to excuse themselves given the shortness of the notice to attend today's proceedings.
Justice Alexander Muteti directed that both Kanja and Amin must personally appear before the court on July 20th. The judge said their attendance was necessary to account for the whereabouts of the 3 missing men and to explain the efforts made by security agencies to trace them.
Number 6, hearing of the application shall be on 20th July 2026. The deponents of the affidavits in response to the applications are required to attend in person on 20th July at 10:30 a.m.
Winnie Tuitaek, NTV.